Hello everyone, welcome to Falcon Informatic. In this video, I am going to show how to install OS in your laptop or PC. For that, first we need a bootable pen drive. So I have my own bootable pen drive here. So if you don't know how to convert a normal pen drive to bootable pen drive, means just refer my previous video. I have a clear explanation for that. So first you have to convert your normal pen drive into bootable pen drive. Then only we can install OS in your PC or desktop. So now I am going to install my bootable pen drive to my laptop. And after inserting pen drive, just turn on your laptop and press F12 key in order to enter BIOS setting. So this is a BIOS setting for a Lenovo laptop. If you want to go to BIOS setting in Lenovo laptop, means you have to press F12 key. Other laptop has a different key, so I will post that in description. You can refer from that. And now you can see the second option, EFI USB device. So that is my bootable pen drive, HP 220 watt. So you have to click that because OS file is available in that pen drive only. That's why I'm selecting that second option. So now click enter. Now the OS starts to install in your PC. It takes couple of hours. Now you can see multiple options like language to install, that is English, correct, and time and currency format also English, and you have to give next, then click install now. And here we have three options. Select the first one, Windows 10 Pro STD, and click next. And here you have to accept that license terms. So I'm going to accept that and click next. Then here you have to select the second option called custom install. So then you have to give next. If you want to divide your storage to multiple partitions, means you can do it here. So for me it's no need, so I'm going to give next. Now it starts to install. It takes couple of hours. Now it will restart multiple times. Now everything got completed. Now we have to proceed with the next step. So here I have to select the region. So it's United States. So give yes. And next keyboard layout is also US. And you have to skip this. And here if you have Wi-Fi, you have to give password. So I don't know the password, so I am clicking I don't have internet. So here continue with limited setup. So if you have internet, means please give connect now. So I don't have internet, so I am going to give connect with limited setup. And here we have to give a username for our PC. So I am going to give Praveen for sample, then give next. Then we have to give password. So you have to enter the password again. So again I'm entering the password. So it asks you to select security questions. So here, what was your first pet name? So Praveen. Second question. Okay. What's the name of the city where you born? So my answer is Chennai. And the last question, childhood nickname Praveen. Hold on. That's it. So almost it's over. So here accept, and here also you can give either not now or accept. So I'm going to give not now, and that's all. So Windows 10 is ready. And this is how our Windows 10 look like. So it installed successfully. If you have any doubts or any problems, means please let me know in comment section. I will clear that. And thanks for watching. Keep supporting us. And one more thing, next video I will update how to install Windows 11 in your PC. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.